Hey guys, I'm back and I'm back with a real treat today. In today's video, I'm going to be making a delicious, super delicious, I can taste it right now, chocolate collagen shake. Yes, you heard me right. A chocolate collagen shake. Stay watching, I will be right back. I've been pushing work all summer. Alright guys, so we're gonna make this chocolate collagen shake. The very first thing I'm starting off with is my almond milk. I'm gonna drop in there 1 tablespoon of collagen. And that's really just 1 tablespoon of cocoa. That's what it is. We're gonna throw in some peanut butter in here, just because. A little bit of honey. Nothing's wrong with honey, guys. That honey's gonna naturally sweeten up my milkshake. I'm gonna say about a cup of ice. A cup and a half. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, guys. You just don't know. Check that out. Yes, look at that. I need to work on my pouring ability. Oh my goodness. This is so good, guys. This is super yummy. I taste the chocolate, the peanut butter, and of course you will not taste the collagen because it's unflavored. This is super yummy, it's delicious, and it's great for your body, your hair, your nails, your skin, your bones, your teeth. You know all of the above, right? Guys, this is really good. In the comments below, let me know if you're gonna give it a try and what you thought about this recipe. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, y'all, share this video with a friend or two. And life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.